Hi everyone, today we're going to a tire shop that I found. It's my local favorite tire shop. I'm gonna link all the info to that tire shop down below. But I am upgrading the tires in my 981 Cayman S. I'm currently running very crappy Pirelli tires that are completely dry rotted. They've been on the car since new. The car has 27,000 miles and they're cracked on the outside, on the inside, between the grooves. So it's not a very safe tire to be driving on, especially when it's a performance vehicle. I am replacing them with Michelin Pilot Sport 4S, Porsche rated. There are two specific types of these tires. So I got the ones that are rated for a Porsche. We might as well spin some tires now. Now, aside from cracking with these tires, what I hate about them is the car doesn't feel very stable. Part of it is they're dry rotted, but I guess part of it is the fact that the compound, which is the Pirelli P0 compound, is just so crappy. I slide everywhere. I slide in the dry, I slide in the wet, in the rain. These tires are absolutely the worst. Now what sucks, unfortunately, is these tires have plenty of tread left and I do not have a flat area to kill them on. Unfortunately, I live in an area that doesn't have empty parking lots where I can do donuts. But you know, I had my fun on these tires as much as I could, but it's time to swap them out for something safer. So enjoy this quick montage. What's up?
What's up, baby?
How you doing, man?
Good,
is that your whip? So I'm here with Remy.
What's up, guys?
Rami. I keep saying Remy. That's you have a second?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Let's check it out real quick. So before we do the tire swap, he's got this awesome 335i. What year is it? That's
07.
07.
Yep.
All right. So what do we got? So you've got what, Pures in it?
Yeah, so I got Pure Stage 2s in there right now.
Yeah.
We got a RTD shifter.
Oh, nice.
M Sport steering wheel. I put the M3 center console in there.
Can I click the shifter?
Yeah, man.
Oh man. Oh my God, that's insane. Cause I'm going after something like that.
Yeah,
I'm gonna put something like that.
Bro.
That's crazy.
What,
very
F80?
Yeah.
Nice.
Very nice. And those are original seats?
Yeah, original seats. I got the M3 center console, the split center console right there.
Nice.
Match the black. I got real carbon fiber trim on the way right now.
Gotcha. And that's a custom steering wheel. Very cool. And you got an aftermarket head unit.
Yes, sir.
Nice. Look, because usually you have this screen over here.
I have a tablet mount at home that I'm gonna put up in there. Put all my gauges, my AFRs, IATs, boosts, everything.
Nice. Very cool.
Oh yeah. And in the back, I got a diffuser back here waiting to go in the car. Carbon fiber diffuser.
Very nice.
Bumper.
And it's gonna go in this bumper.
Yep.
Yeah.
Right there.
And what exhaust is this?
The BRSF 3.5-inch catback.
3.5-inch. Holy moly,
and
Jesus.
I'm on catless downpipes and from the turbos back.
Nice. And hold on, I gotta check out the front because you got a pretty aggressive lip in the front, right?
Yeah. So I got the M3 bumper on there with
hell yeah, nice.
carbon fiber V lip and the Machimaro air scoops.
Oh, nice. You got a front mount intercooler. Nice. That thing is low.
Hell yeah.
I thought I was low. Nice.
And I know you're a Turner Motorsport fan.
Let's see.
Watching your videos a couple times. We just did the relocated
oh,
inlets
nice.
to that side with the ER charge pipe, HKS blow-off valve. It's got a brand new SERP belt tensioner idler. It's got brand new turbos, coolant, and oil feed.
And you're running a Pure Stage
Pure
turbo.
Stage 2s, yep.
Wow. So how much power are you pushing, you think?
Right now, probably around in the 500s.
That's awesome.
I want to get it on the dyno though, get some real.
You know what we got to do? We should do a video on it if you want. Whenever you're done with it, let me know.
Hell yeah, brother.
Wow, that's
100%.
awesome.
Let me start her up for you.
Yeah. Oh man. Ah,
gear.
Come on. I gotta get that again. It's so funny, you can actually hear the turbo spool
through the back.
Yep. It's crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy. Oh, it sounds real good.
Nice. So those of you watching, we're gonna do a feature on his car sometime soon, whenever he's done with it, right?
Hell yeah, brother.
Hell yeah.
It'll be done within the week.
And what's the deal with that Supra?
Supra, that's one of our buddies. We just did Stop Tech big brakes in the front.
Nice.
And then we he wants us to send the valve cover, the catch can, and one other item out for powder coat.
So you did, these are the brakes that you guys did?
Yeah, we did the Stop Tech fronts.
Nice. So these guys, not only do they do tires, obviously, but they do all kinds of custom and performance work. And they're in New Jersey. I'm gonna link their info down in the description. But this is the type of work that they do. They have all new machinery inside, and cool people like this guy. Okay. So this is the office. That's where all the magic happens. Again, Sal's Tire and Auto. I know he's gonna be renaming the shop. Do you know what the shop's gonna be called later?
Sal's Auto Works.
Sal's Auto Works. So look out for that. But they also have a pretty good Instagram page. I'm gonna link it for you guys as well. And then this is the shop. So these are the tires that are going on the Porsche. No, not these. These are the ones that are going on. No, not these. What's up, Melvin? How you doing? Good. How you doing, man? No, these are the tires that are going on the Porsche, and check this out. So these are the PS4S tires, 235 in the front. They don't seem wide from a number perspective, but in reality, they are pretty wide, and they have pretty aggressive grooves and threads. I think these are slightly different for the Porsche. I'm not sure if the thread width is different, but I know they're rated differently for the Porsche. And this is the back. The back is 275. Correction, 265 in the back, not 275, 265 in the back. And this is Sal's Harley, custom-made Harley that's dropped on air suspension. Look at this thing, so cool, super, super cool. And this is a custom rear fender that he made. When it's sitting down, when it's completely aired down, it's like, I don't know, 2/8 of an inch away from the tire. Crazy. And real quick about the shop. So I was actually talking to the owner. He's telling me that they're already outgrowing this shop, so they're gonna be looking for a bigger facility. But you've got your lifts over here. This is an empty bay for miscellaneous work. You've got your alignment rack. You've got other types of rack. They have the newest tire mounting machines, and someone's gonna walk me through later. I'm gonna show you how it works. So these are designed so they protect your wheels. If you have precious wheels, they won't scratch them and they won't damage the tire in the process of doing so. This is the road force balancing machine, which not only balances the actual wheel, but also the road force. So any imperfections that the tire itself might have, this machine will balance everything out. So really, really, really cool shop. And they do work on all kinds of cars. So you have a German car, you have an American car, you have an American car. Well, you have a German car right there. You have a Japanese Supra right there, and you've got an American bike. So they do all kinds of work on all kinds of cars. That's the owner. This is Sal with his diesel GMC truck. Look at this. Bam. Look how big this thing is. What's up, Sal? How you doing, man?
Oh man, we didn't plan that, right?
Yeah, no, not at all. See, so this is another example of the type of work they do here. So Sal got this car, he lifted it, fitted big wheels, bigger tires, and a bunch of other stuff. Okay. Oh! See, look at this. Not many shops do this. Not only do they use proper machines, but they also wipe the inside. It's crazy.
Free wheel cleaning.
Free wheel cleaning. And check this out. If you have silver wheels, they have silver weights. If you have black wheels, they actually have black weights. Again, not many companies do that. These guys do. Look at this. So check it out. So these are the Michelins. Look how awesome they are. Oh yes, so grippy, so sticky. You can feel, actually you can feel the fresh rubber as opposed to the dry rotted rubber that I had on the Pirellis. One of the perks of this shop, check this out. Free candy. We're gonna have some. You know what? I want the pink. There you go. We took 3, so I know I am abusing my privileges, but they're so good. All right, so we are done. They're gonna check the tire pressures. They just retorqued all the wheels. And first thing you notice, look how much wider they sit on the actual wheel. So there's gonna be a lot more protection if I were to curb. I hope I don't, but if I were to curb something, there's a lot more protection. And it looks like they stick out a little more compared to the Pirellis. Go ahead, hit it, hit it. All right, and we're done. I wanted to thank these two gentlemen for this amazing work. Not only did they do this amazing work, but they also gave me a fantastic deal. So if you're looking for new tires or any type of service in this part of New Jersey or anywhere in New Jersey, hit them up. Again, I'm gonna link them down below. Really, really, really good group of guys and girls. Any girls?
Thank you, man. No girls yet.
Just guys for now. All right, thank you, gentlemen. All right, ladies and gentlemen, and we are done. We are done. Let's see, we're gonna rip it on the highway. Hopefully we can burn some rubber, get these tires blessed. Woohoo! They do spin. We first spin out of the shop. We spun the tires, but I had to get them prepped for the street. Let's see, we're gonna enter some twisties now, so let's see how the car behaves. But I've got to say, just off the bat, the ride is a bit smoother. The other tires were a bit rougher, and again, they were old tires, so that's to be expected. Look, I'm going over this little bump. Very smooth. So far, so good. Very happy with my decision. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look, I'm going over these bumps. Whoa, what a difference. Huh. Really, really cool. Worthy upgrade. Really, really worthy upgrade. The tires, when you think about it, that's your only connection to the road. So you want that connection to be as good as possible. When you have old tires like I used to, that was bad news. This is really, really good. It's you know, it's an expensive thing to do, but think of it as a maintenance. Don't think of it as an upgrade. It's a maintenance item that you have to stay on top of. Otherwise, you're not getting the most out of your car. So yeah, that's that. Anyways, thank you guys very much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions about this. I've got to say, I love these tires already, and I've only been driving this car for a little bit. Look, oh yes, I definitely feel a lot more balance. So the sidewalls seem to be a little stiffer, and they hold me, they grip me a lot better than the other tires. So very, very happy with my decision, and yeah, there's going to be more mods to come, more maintenance items to come. We're going to be doing an oil change, so stay tuned for that if you're interested in that type of stuff. But anyways, thank you very much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.